Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 5i and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the option called additional settings. On the second position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options which are connected to the time zone, for example. But first of all we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use, so we can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Right now obviously we've got 12-hour format. In order to set 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. Right now we've got the date and time set automatically. It is network based and network provided, but obviously we can set it manually. So let's tap on the switcher here to turn off the automatic date and time, and as you can see we can pick the time zone and also the time, so we can tap on it, and here we've got the date. We can pick the date just by swiping, so let me pick something like that, and here by swiping also we can change the date. Let's tap on the time zone, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do in order to pick one is to just tap on it. So I will pick, for example, Alaska, and as you can see it immediately changes, but obviously be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got some options which are connected to the home screen world clock widget or the dual clock, so it's up to you if you'd like to turn it on or off. I will leave it like this. So, and actually this is the whole customization of date and time in this device. Obviously you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher to set the date and time automatically, and here to use 12-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your Realme 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.